Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. We're going to look at 10 stepping stone pathway ideas. Now, as you saw in last week's video on how to build it, stepping stone pathways are half the cost of doing concrete. And so for areas where you just really kind of need a pathway for landscape maintenance, these are a great way to do it. So there's several different ways to do a stepping stone pathway. You can do these prefabricated ones that you just set in gravel or in mulch, different kinds of colors and shapes. You can also do poured in place stepping stone pathways like that one, which was poured in place and then surrounded by some really pretty rocks. That was a prefabricated one. Lots of different rock combinations as well. But let's look again at how they're built. So basically, one of the important things with stepping stone pathways is you want to put them on a compacted, heavy-duty surface of some kind of rock, either road base or decomposed granite, as you see in this particular job, because you want to make sure those stepping stones don't move. If you put the stepping stones just on mulch, they're going to move as the mulch decays. But even these that are set in mulch, you're still going to have them set on top of a gravel base to give them a lot of stability, and then surround it with some decorative rock like you see here, lots of decomposed granites. Now these are actually travertine tile set on concrete and then surrounded by it. So that's another way to do a cool stepping stone pathway. But these are just mulch. But again, even with the ones in mulch, you want to set them on some decomposed granite so they have lots and lots of stability. So really important. There are some links in the comment section for more information about stepping stone pathways. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe to get some more ideas on how to create some wonderful spaces in your garden. Well, until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.